Don't discard rusty tools at home with a few simple steps. You can make them look like new again. Start with a 24-volt power adapter. You'll need to strip the outer casing and separate the wires. For safety, using a power source between 12 to 36 volts is advised. Once you're set up, take the rusty tools and lightly sand them to enhance the electrolytic reaction. Important, connect the power source's negative terminal to the rusty tool and the positive terminal to a clean, rust-free iron piece. Prepare a container and fill it with enough water to submerge the tool. Add plenty of table salt and stir well. The amount of salt used can be adjusted to suit your needs. Ensure the container is made from an insulating material. Avoid conductive materials like metal. Place the metal pieces in the container without letting them touch. Turn on the power. If all goes well, you'll see the reaction start and the rust begin to dissolve. After a while, the water will get very dirty, indicating that the rust is removed. Remove the tools, rinse them with clean water to eliminate any remaining impurities, and you'll see that the rust is completely gone. This electrolytic rust removal method is effective and simple. Like this method,